here I am today with day 7 of your math and science packet. I almost forgot which day it was. And I'm going to start right away. Once I can get it to go. There we go. Here's your assignments review for April 16th. And for math, it is to review the 3 sections that are set for today. And for science, it's to graph the weather in your science journal. So as usual, we are starting with the counting forward and backward. Notice that our today's number is number 38. In your practice adding section where you see the little pictures, notice it's reminding you that you can either use a number line to count on. Remember, you can also put a number in your head and count on. So I could put the number 6 in my head and go 7, 8. And I've counted on 2 spots. Over on the second page, it also shows that the counters in the box. So how many counters are in the box and how many counters are out. And then you can, down below is also showing different ways to count on. For a challenge, you could always increase the number and add a 10. So it could be 14 plus 2, or it could be 4 plus 12. You can always show that in the box as a challenge. On the next page is some more practice on counting on. You can use that practice number line or your head if you would like to. Down below in number 15 and 16 is a story problem that is also using the counting on strategy. So tell me, how would you do that? Remember, if I'm going to write whatever number I put in my head, I'm going to circle. So if I have the number 5 and I'm putting it in my head, then I'm going to write the number 5 down and I'm going to put a circle in it because that tells my teacher that I've put it in my head, and then the numbers afterwards I would put for 5 would be the 5 with the circle to let my teacher know I put it in my head, and then I would write 6 and 7 to show that I've counted on. Now that you are finished with your pages, you may put a check in your math section. I'm going to move on to your spring science journal. It has you graphing, looking at the weather outside again. So I'm going to look at my chart because every time I look at it, I review it again. So right now, remember from yesterday video, I had 3 sunny days and 2 rainy days to make a 5. Remember, we always try to get to those base numbers, and 1 more to make 6. Today, when I looked outside, I noticed it was partly cloudy. So I'm going to put a mark, partly sunny. I'm going to put a mark in the partly sunny. Now notice I can still make my 3 plus 2 to get 5, and then I can count on that 6, 7 to get to the 7. And now I have 7 marks. I still have more in my sunny column than I have in my rest. Notice I also have partly sunny, and windy has the same amount. That's an equal amount. Now I'm going to move on. I noticed that we're all done with our math packet, and now we're all done with our science. If you are finished with your reading and your writing for today, then congratulations, you're all done for today's packet. If not, head over and watch that video, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.